big changes are coming to our program, and I just want to get on because every beginner should know this. Today, while we were in our call, and it was just the most amazing interactive training today because number one, she was talking about how other people are wanting to get started in the digital online space, but they just feel like that they can't afford it right now and they can't get in, or they feel like that they should get in. And that's where I want to go in and explain this. Number one, get in where you can fit in, because you don't have to get in at the $1,400 level, which is 10 income streams. We have different programs that build up. We have a $100 program that's called the Launchpad. It tells you everything that you need to know in order to get started in a digital online business. It gives you the launch to profit in 7 days. It puts your business on an automation system. It does everything. You get that for $100 plus the one-time $39 website fee. Now you've got to understand, each time you upgrade, you just pay the difference. So if you want to upgrade from the 100 to the 300, that's a $200 upgrade. But each website is different and unique. So you will have to pay the $39 fee to upgrade to that. So it's the $200 plus the $39 upgrade fee for the website. It's already completely done for you. And that's what I love about this. Everything is completely done for you in a box. You put your personal information in, you plug and you play, and you get to go in helping other people learn how they can work remotely from anywhere as well. So if you haven't met me before, my name is Christy, and I walked away from my teaching career, and I came into the digital online space because I wanted my time back with my family. And I help beginners, moms, teachers, retirees, those that really want to learn the simple building online skill of how you can go from launch to profit in 7 days, how you can put your business on an automation system and allow your automations to work for you 24/7. So you're working smarter and not harder. Friends, this is the digital space. You're looking at me on a digital phone or a laptop or a tablet. You go to that each and every day, whether it's your phone, your laptop, or your tablet. So I want to encourage you, if you're using it on a daily basis, why are you not allowing it to create you an income on a daily basis? Because that is an income source for you to have. So inside our program today, Michelle also addressed this. Michelle is my mentor, and I absolutely love what she does because she allows us to buy this interactive program that we get 100% profit whenever we share it with other people. We have the master resale rights on that. And if you don't understand what master resale rights is, comment down what is master resale rights, and I'll explain everything to you and get you all the explanations for that. But some people just struggle with that. They think they have to start at the highest level. And I just want to encourage you. My main point of this is this. Every part of our system works. It doesn't matter if you're on the launch pad or the bundle pack. It does not matter. So this is what I want to encourage you. You can start wherever you feel comfortable. Some people start at the $100 program. Some people start at the 3, the 6, the 9, the 14. That's why I tell you that you can have either one stream of income or 10 streams of income. But this is something important I want to share with you. I was giving anyone that got to the bundle pack an extra 5 streams of income that I was gifting them if they bought the bundle pack. But the clarity of what Michelle said today was this. There's so many people that want to get started but can't. So if you're one of those that want to get started at the $100, I'm going to gift to you those 5 packs that I've been gifting the people that gets the legacy bundle pack, so that you can understand whether you buy the $100 or you buy the $1,400, I'm going to help you build your ecosystem. So you can have 1 stream of income to 6. You can have 2 income streams up to 7. So I've got the 5 that I'm giving you, and then you can just build up to 15 full streams of income. It is crazy what's happening in the digital online space. But I want to encourage you, you can upgrade it anytime for the difference in the packs. So if you have the $100 pack, it's a $200 upgrade. If you have the 600 and you want to go to the 1400, it's the difference between. That's where you can get into, and you can just have the 100 and just completely make extra income with that. But if you're wanting the different streams of income, then I will help you and guide you along where you can get in. And I also want to encourage you, guys, whenever I got in at the 600 because the 900 wasn't even available at that point. And then as soon as I got the 600, they just launched the 900. And so the lady that I bought the 600 from, she said, I just want to let you know that we now have a 900. So if you're wanting 4 streams of income versus the 3, then this is available to you. And I just upgraded and did the 900. But I want to encourage you this. I upgraded and I paid for it through a payout plan. And so whenever I first got in, I got the payout plan because I didn't know. But I knew that she said we could go from loss to profit in 7 days. So I was going to plug in. I was going to get my website set up. I was going to do everything I needed to do. I was going to be coachable. I was going to learn. And that's what I did. And so I went in and I bought the 600, upgraded the next day to the 900. I did that on a payment plan. And then before my payment was ever due, I had my first customer. So we teach you how to do that. So I want you to understand you can get in where you can fit in, and we have payment options as well. So whenever your confidence grows, your income can grow as well, and you can grow with the system. And that's what I just really want to encourage you. Another thing that she shared with us today is something that I often say, this is not just a course. You do not buy a course to sell a course. This is an interactive business plan where you can literally learn how to do skills like content creation, audience building, attraction marketing, email marketing, automation systems, online business strategies. All of these skills can be used in any kind of business online, not just in the digital online space. Friends, I went to college and got a degree to teach, and I can tell you there's more things in our interactive program in the content than the digital marketing courses that you would go to college for right now today. That's how updated this is. And I just want to encourage you. It is amazing what you're getting in this program. So another big update today I want to share with you, it's exciting, is our Done For You website system is being upgraded in the next 2 weeks. This upgrade is going to make it so much clearer because it's going to be easier to use, it's going to be easier to customize, and it's going to be more focused on branding you, my friend. And that is such a big step forward because you're not just selling your program, you're helping other people out there learn how they can work remotely from anywhere. You are branding you. You're not branding a program. So if you're someone who has been thinking about starting online, but you've been so worried about whether you can afford it, my advice to you is simply this: start where you can. Because when you start where you can, my friend, you start learning a skill that nobody can take away from you, and everything changes. So if you're ready to learn how the system works, I also have a free community. It's linked below, Building Digitally with Christy. I'm on the school platform. It is an app on your phone, so you can go download the school app, SKOOL. You can go and search Building Digitally with Christy, and I'm on that. Come join my community. It is free. I guide you step by step on what you need to do. But not only that, you get my free community. You get the digital growth community where it's over 59,000 members are in there. And then you get my mentor that mentors me every Monday. If you're in the Legacy Builder or the Bundle Pack, you get her every Monday on a step-by-step training. But more importantly than that, my friend, I want to share this with you. We're on a 90-day run to 30K. And in this 90 days, we're teaching you step by step every day. There is like a 3 to 5 minute video that's posted in our big community that tells you everything you need to know in order to grow in the digital online space. You're never alone. You have me, you have my mentor, you have our whole community in Building Digitally Christy, you have our whole community with the Digital Growth Community. You have tons of people that are there ready to help you grow with your success as well, because we're all in this to help each other. And that's what I love. So if you found this useful, please go down and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video because I'm helping other people build digital income as well and getting their time freedom back with their family, because guess what? You never can make those memories once you missed them. So if you're working in a 9-to-5 job that's taking 8 to 16 hours of your day and you're missing those precious moments with your family, friends, you don't have to do that anymore. Learn that skill that will help you get out of that rut. I will see you on the next one, and I cannot wait to help you on your digital journey.